Hey! In front of me is CUBOT Note 9, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions on this smartphone. First of all, go into Devices Settings. Now you need to scroll down and choose Privacy section. Then click on Permission Manager and select one of your device's features, like Camera. Then click on one of your apps, like Chrome, and select one of those options. Allow only by using the app, ask every time, or deny. I will go with the first one, so now when I go back, as you can see Chrome, just gained access to this device's camera if I'm using it. But you can always go back, pick any feature, and then an app that you are interested in. For example, I want to manage all permissions for Google Play Store. Then click on See All Google Play Store permissions instead, and manage all of them only for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!